What's up guys, Mike here. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, we're gonna go over the major pentatonic scale and a quick little hack you can use to get you playing the major pentatonic scale. So let's go to our root position, minor pentatonic scale in the key of A minor. So Old Faithful. So we're in the key of A. The hack that you're gonna do is you're gonna take that shape in first position on the minor pentatonic scale and move it down 1, 2, 3 half steps or 3 frets. So basically what you're going to be doing is playing the F sharp minor pentatonic scale. And you're probably thinking to yourself, like, why does that work? Well, if we change our root, so to speak, to A and keep that same position, you get the minor pentatonic scale. So A, B, C sharp, E, F sharp, and then A. The only difference is that instead of targeting what would normally be the root, like on the 2nd fret of the E string, 4th fret on the D, or 2nd fret on the high E, you're going to target the A, 5th fret on your E string, 2nd fret in your G, that A there, and then you also have an A at the 5th fret of your E string. So, like I said, you don't want to target the F sharp. You're going to target the A. The cool thing about this is that this is actually, the positions in the major pentatonic scale versus the minor pentatonic scale are the same positions, but they just shift. So, we are playing a position in the major pentatonic scale. Like this does exist, but it just so happens that it, in the key of A at least, and all the keys towards, I guess, this area of the guitar, all you have to do is just jump down 3 frets. So let's use this A major pentatonic shape. And I'm just going to solo a little bit over an A chord. So it should sound like this. So on and so forth. So one really easy hack you can use if you're interested in more stuff regarding soloing and the blues, make sure you check out my blues course. I'll put a link in the description below. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, do all those cool things, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.